Welcome back to Coding with Zach. In this tutorial, we are going to look at classes and inheritance briefly. Here I have a fitness club project, and basically what it does is it makes two objects, the PB gym and the Balboa gym. Been getting my gains today, so I wrote special classes to make a gym object and a super gym object, and then there's also an active gym that we can make. So basically, these are all classes, obviously. The gym class is going to be the parent class or the super class, and it has these instance variables inside of it. It also has a no argument constructor right here under public gym. And then it also has this other constructor that takes all of the arguments, or no, it takes some of them and then sets some of them. And then this third one takes all of the private instance variables when it instantiates the class. And then it also has these getters for members, member fee, hours, um, the monthly member fee. And then it has setters, does some error checking here. And that's pretty much it. Then we have, sorry, tired from the gains. Um, a subclass called Active Gym that has this implicit call to super right here. And what that basically does is it kind of copies the parent class into this class, and then it has these three new instance variables for basketball court, sauna, and kids club. That's what an active gym is going to have if it's a 24-hour fitness. They're just booleans, and then it's got getters and setters for each of those. For my setters in all of the classes, I shadow the variable. So the variable that's getting passed in the parameter shares the same instance variable name with one of the private instance variables. So you have sauna up here, and then we're passing sauna also, which is why I'm using this dot sauna to refer to the calling object. So the calling object sauna is going to get set to sauna in this case. And then the same thing with basketball court. I don't know if that's the best practice. I feel like it makes it slightly easier to read as long as you know that that's what's happening. Saves you from writing like new sauna or something like that, or new value. But basically in practice you can use it like this. So we make these instances of each of the class. So we have PB, which is a gym. We have Balboa, which is a super gym. We have UTC, which is an active gym. And you can basically use system out print line to kind of take a look and see that we can use get monthly membership fee on PB and Balboa and UTC. And if we compile and run this, it should print out all of these fees. But if we try and call something, for example, like an active gym, there's basketball court. Um, I didn't capitalize that other B. Yeah, get basketball court. You compile it. It's going to throw an error because PB is a gym, not an active gym. But if we sub out PB with UTC, you'll notice that it compiles and runs because the get basketball court method is present in active gym. So you can use any of the methods that are written in the parent class in the subclass or the child class, but not vice versa. A couple more things. So for your setter, the return type is going to be void because you don't return anything, you're just setting the instance variable. Whereas for your getters, you're going to want to put in the return type so that it knows that when you call that getter, it is returning a specific type. So it could be a double, or for example with hours, it's going to return an array of integers, which is going to be like 3 to midnight. So it opens at 3 a.m., closes at midnight. Yeah, but that's basically it. Feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions.